Hello everyone, welcome to Meet Data. Today we are diving into the world of data science.
So, what exactly is data science? Well, it's all about extracting insights from huge amounts of data using scientific methods, algorithms, and processes. Basically, it's like finding hidden patterns in all that raw data to make sense of it. To get a better grip on data science, let's see its key components. Data collection. This is where we gather data from different sources like databases, APIs, or even web scraping. Data cleaning. Think of this as tidying up the data, getting rid of inconsistencies, and filling in missing pieces. Data exploration. Here, we dive into the data using stats and visualizations to understand its characteristics. Data modeling. This is the fun part, where we apply machine learning algorithms to build models and find patterns. Data interpretation. Finally, we analyze the results and turn them into actionable insights that help in decision making. Now let's talk about some of the cool tools and technologies we use in data science. Starting with programming languages. Python is super popular for its simplicity and R is great for statistical analysis and visualizations. Data manipulation tools. Tools like Pandas and NumPy are essential for data. Machine learning libraries. We use scikit-learn, TensorFlow and Keras to build and train our machine learning models. Visualization tools. Creating awesome data visualizations is easy with Matplotlib and Seaborn. Big data technologies. When we are dealing with huge amounts of data, Hadoop and Spark come in handy. Data science isn't just about crunching numbers. It has real-world applications that are pretty mind-blowing. Starting with healthcare. From predicting disease outbreaks to personalized medicine, data science is revolutionizing healthcare. Next, we have finance. It's used for fraud detection, risk management, algorithmic trading, and understanding consumer behavior. Marketing. Businesses use data science for customer insights, targeted ads, sentiment analysis, and optimizing campaigns. Next, we have retail, managing inventory, creating recommendation system, and forecasting demand. Next, we have transportation, optimizing routes, developing autonomous vehicles, and predicting maintenance needs is all done with data science. Looking ahead, the future of data science is super exciting. We are going to see even more smarter decision making as AI and machine learning models get more advanced. Expect more automated data analysis and machine learning processes, making things faster and more efficient. There's a growing focus on ethical practices and ensuring data privacy. We'll see more teamwork across different fields to tackle complex problems using data science. So this is all about future of data science. So there you have it, a quick dive into data science. It's a fascinating field that's changing the way we understand and use data. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.